How to download stickers in IMO. Want to spice up your IMO chats? Let's quickly go through how to download new sticker packs to make your conversation more fun. First, open up your conversation on the IMO app. For that, let's go inside the IMO. After you tap on IMO, you'll be directed to this type of chat section. Now, what I have to do in order to download this sticker is go inside any of the chat in the IMO app. For example, I will go to the first one. And here you can see the stickers I have sent recently. Now what you have to do is look at the bottom where you type the message, or you can say a message bar, and there you can see a smiley face icon. Simply tap on it and that will open up sticker tabs. And now you are in the sticker keyword. Once your sticker are open, look for the plus icon. It's right over here. Tap on it. And this is the entrance to the sticker store. Once you're inside it, you will see this type of interface. Now just scroll down and here you can see a recommended version, and there's also option called more, from where you can explore more stickers that you want. Once you have found the stickers that you like, simply tap on add right over here. Let's explore a little bit. Maybe flower and cloud. After choosing this sticker, simply tap on this add right over here, then tap on send, and it will be directly send it to your sticker keyword. So the process is super simple. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite sticker pack. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.